This is a sensor tester that I've been working on. It handles both analog and digital sensors. Uses an LCD keypad shield that I had laying around. Fits on top of an Arduino Uno. These shields are like $6. It's a great deal. Provides buttons for the UI as well as the display. It's a really nice deep blue with white letters. It doesn't really show up well here. But when you start off, you can select the kind of sensor you want to deal with, either digital or analog. We'll go to the analog. You can either display absolute A to D values, they're from 0 to 1023. You can display percentages, or you can even enter in scale values and display a scaled value. So let's go to absolute. I said that value ranges from 0 all the way up to 1023. This is the actual analog signal that's coming out of the analog to digital, or the digital value rather, that's coming out of the analog to digital converter on the Arduino. Let's go back home, reset it. Kind of hard to press the buttons nicely. Now go to percentage. This will basically tell us for 100% maximum down to 0. We can keep working that up and down. Let's reset. Oops, must have double pressed that. I've got some configuration set in here already, so I'm just going to run them. It goes from 0 to 500. It basically gives you a scale value, 0 being minimum, 500 being the highest. This will be nice if you got a sensor that has some kind of a value, like say a pressure sensor, and you knew it went from 0 to 500. You could scale it in here, and then you'd be able to read the direct pressure right off of that. On the digital side, looks like it crashed. Might have a bug there. I think I'm going to need to fix that. But on the digital side, it can measure a digital signal, either give you a high or low, or can also count how many times the signal pulses either high or low. And you can also drive the digital pin as an output. So you can basically set something high or low to control some mechanism. It's going to be pretty neat. I'm going to work on an enclosure for it with some buttons and the like. And it'll probably be powered off a USB connection, so you can power it off a little charging box or something you'd use like for your phone, and won't have to worry about batteries or plugging it into the wall. This is going to be pretty cool. Not bad for 24 hours and hardware I already had laying around.